Your car feels sluggish, bad gas mileage, rough idle. You might just need to clean a few sensors. Here are 8 sensors killing your performance right now, and how to fix them in your driveway. Number 8. The Mass Airflow Sensor, or MAF, measures how much air enters your engine, so the computer knows how much fuel to inject. Oil residue and dust coat the delicate sensing wires inside, throwing off the readings completely. When this happens, you'll feel hesitation when accelerating. The idle becomes rough. Your gas mileage tanks by 20 to 30%, and that check engine light will probably come on. Here's the fix. Locate the MAF between your air filter and throttle body. Disconnect and remove it. Spray MAF, specific cleaner, directly on the sensing elements. The tiny wires inside. Never touch them. Just spray and let it dry for 10 minutes. Then reinstall. Critical warning. Only use MAF specific cleaner. Other cleaners will destroy it. Number 7. The throttle position sensor tells the computer how far you're pressing the gas pedal. The throttle body controls airflow into your engine. Here's a quick test for the sensor. Unplug the throttle position sensor and see if the car idles better. If it does, the sensor itself is bad and needs replacement. When replacing it, mark the exact position of the mounting screws on the old sensor before removing it. The TPS position is critical for accurate throttle readings, so align the new sensor to match those marks exactly. Now for the throttle body. Carbon deposits from oil vapors and exhaust gases build up inside, restricting airflow. You get sluggish acceleration, rough or high idle, and stalling at stoplights. Your throttle response goes to hell. Remove the air intake tube to access it. Spray throttle body cleaner inside while holding the throttle plate open. Use a soft cloth or toothbrush to scrub the carbon. Be gentle with the plate. Wipe clean and reinstall. This gives the most noticeable improvement. You'll feel it immediately. Number 6. Intake air temperature sensor. The IAT sensor measures incoming air temperature so the computer can adjust the fuel mixture. Cold air is denser and needs more fuel. Hot air needs less. Important note, on many modern cars, the IAT sensor is built into the MAF sensor as one combined unit. If that's your car, you already cleaned it when you cleaned the MAF in step 1. Oil film and dirt coat the sensor tip, especially if you have an oiled air filter. This causes incorrect temperature readings. You'll notice poor performance in extreme temperatures. Cold starts might run rough. Remove it, spray with electrical contact cleaner, and wipe the tip clean. Let it dry and reinstall. Quick 5-minute job with modest but helpful improvements. Number 5. Manifold absolute pressure sensor. The MAP sensor measures the pressure inside your intake manifold. The computer uses this to calculate engine load and adjusts fuel delivery and ignition timing accordingly. Carbon buildup clogs the sensor port and covers the sensing element inside. This gives false pressure readings to the computer. The result? Poor acceleration and reduced power. Rough running, especially under load. Your engine can't properly adjust to different driving conditions. Hills feel harder to climb. Passing power disappears. To clean it, locate the MAP sensor on or near the intake manifold. Disconnect the electrical connector and remove it. Spray electrical contact cleaner or MAF cleaner into the sensor port and on the element. Don't use compressed air. It can damage the internal diaphragm. Let it dry completely, then reinstall. Number 4. Idle air control valve. The IAC valve controls the amount of air that bypasses the throttle plate to maintain proper idle speed. When you're at a red light, this valve keeps your engine running smoothly. Carbon deposits clog the valve and air passages. Your idle bounces up and down. The engine stalls at stoplights, or it idles way too high. Cold starts become rough and you have to keep your foot on the gas. Find it on the throttle body or intake manifold. Remove it and you'll see the pintle, the little plunger that opens and closes. Spray throttle body cleaner into all the passages. Use a brush to scrub the pintle and valve seat. Really get in there and remove all the carbon. Let it dry and reinstall with a new gasket if needed. Number 3, EGR valve and position sensor. The EGR valve recirculates exhaust gases back into the engine to reduce emissions and lower combustion temperature. Exhaust gases deposit carbon and soot everywhere. The EGR valve gets caked with it. The valve can't open properly and passages get blocked. You get rough idle and hesitation during acceleration, pinging or knocking under load, reduced power, poor acceleration, and the check engine light will probably come on it with an EGR flow code. Remove the EGR valve from the manifold. Spray carbon cleaner on the valve and pintle. The deposits will be thick and black. Use a wire brush to scrub them off. Clean the manifold passages too. Don't damage the valve seat or you'll have vacuum leaks. Reinstall with a new gasket. Warning, this is the messiest job on the list, but it makes a huge difference in how the car runs. Number 2, crankshaft and camshaft position sensor. These sensors tell the computer the exact position and speed of the crankshaft and camshaft. The computer uses this to time the fuel injection and spark perfectly. Metal shavings, oil, and road grime accumulate on the sensor tips. This interferes with the magnetic or Hall effect signal. You'll get misfires that feel like stumbling, hard starting where the engine cranks forever, stalling randomly, or the engine won't start at all because the computer has no idea where the pistons are. Locate them on the engine block or timing cover. Disconnect and remove the sensor. Spray brake cleaner on the sensor tip and mounting area. Wipe everything clean. Reinstall and reconnect. Simple job that can save you from being stranded on the side of the road. Number 1, oxygen sensor. O2 sensors monitor oxygen levels in the exhaust to help the computer maintain the perfect air-fuel ratio. Most cars have 2 to 4 of them. Carbon, oil contamination, and fuel additives foul the sensor element over time. You get poor fuel economy, sometimes losing 3 to 5 miles per gallon, sluggish performance, rough idle. A check engine light and running too rich can damage your catalytic converter, which is a $1,000 repair. Remove the sensor with an O2 sensor socket. Try soaking it in gasoline for 20 minutes or carefully heating it with a torch to burn off deposits. Let it cool and reinstall. Reality check, cleaning O2 sensors rarely works long term. The contamination damages the internal elements permanently. If they're throwing codes, just replace them. They're wear items that need replacement every 60 to 100,000 miles anyway. Clean these 8 sensors and you'll restore throttle response, improve gas mileage, and get rid of that rough idle, all for maybe $30 in cleaner. The throttle body, MAF sensor, and EGR valve give you the biggest bang for your buck. What sensor cleaning made the biggest difference for you? Drop a comment below. And if this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more DIY car fixes that save you money.